Hi boys and girls, I have another science experiment for you. All you need is a cake pan, fill it half with water, and then what I did, the experiment said that you take some copy paper, make a flower, and I tried to do a whale and it didn't work, but you need to do a flower with 4 sides, just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Color it with a marker, and then you fold it in. Just fold them in like this. Not too difficult. Fold it in. Fold it in.
Ms. Kelly, does it need to be a permanent marker?
You can use permanent marker. Try both because that's what science is. You figure out what works, what doesn't. Okay? So I have 3 small ones, and I've never done a big one before. Okay? So watch what happens. I'm going to put these in on top of the water. You just lay it nicely. Watch this. Watch what happens to the flowers. What is the paper doing?
Whoa.
Watch the flowers. Do you see how they're opening up? The flowers are opening up. Is that so cool? The red one already came and it's flattened. It is so fun to watch. That is how easy the science experiment is. You make your flower or whatever you try. Try all different types of things. Maybe try a person to see if that'll work. A different type of flower. Here comes my big red one that I made. Let's see if it works. I have no idea. I've never tried a big flower. Because in science, some things work and sometimes they don't work. Looks like it's going slowly. This one opened all the way. This one didn't open all the way. This opened both.
Oh.
Blow on them a little bit. It looks like this one's opening slowly, maybe because the paper's just so big.
Whoa.
There it goes. Maybe somebody can make a boat of some sort. But that's all that science experiment is, boys and girls. Copy paper, markers, cake pan, half full of water, and that's all you do. Is that so exciting? Oh, it's still opening. And that's all it is. Enjoy it and have a great day. Bye.